This is how you do the water volumetrics from a Marzocco Linea PB. First, you need to make sure you have 19 grams in your basket. Secondly, you're going to press the third button continuously until the screen changes and goes into the menu. Then you're going to press the second button, as you can follow on the screen. Continue pressing enter, or the group dose setting, enter. Program volume dose, you press enter, and then now we're going to pull the shot. Before pressing to pull the shot, you need to make sure you have a scale under. You tare, and then you press the second button. You will need to stop manually the button around on the 35 yields. We need to follow our recipe, which is 38 yields. So we are waiting until we see 35 in our scale. You go as close as possible on the 38. To confirm the setting, you need to press the third button, go back on the first one, again on the third button, first button, and the third to exit on the menu. The next step you need to do is to copy this setting on your second group head. Again, we're pressing the third button continuously until again we see the menu. Press the B3 to go into the menu setting, and then here you continue. It says group dose settings, you continue next, 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 and again you will see the menu. You go again B3, enter, next, 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 until you see the copy dose. You press enter. It's going to ask you which button you want to copy. You're going to copy the second button, and then go into your second group head, second button, and then you enter to exit. You're going back to the menu, pressing exit, exit, and then now you have 2 equal water volumetrics for both of your heads.